Hello and welcome to all of you on my productive and industry oriented training platform. So whenever we talk about the IT infrastructure, so there are many domains, and from these domains the important one is security, because we know that right now if we are working inside the data center, or if we deploy our infrastructure on any cloud platform, the security is major concern, because there are number of bad guys, there are hackers, intruders, malwares, spywares, and lots of other options which generally destroy our IT operations, our on-prem data center and cloud infrastructure as well. So for that purpose, we need to design a kind of infrastructure with the help of which we can easily secure our infrastructure. So for that purpose, at level 1, we are going to secure our endpoint devices and virtual machines and server operating system. And for that purpose, we need to enable all kinds of firewalls which is generally integrated inside the operating system. And we also installed all kinds of endpoint protection applications which include Microsoft Defender, sophos endpoint protection, ESET solutions, Kaspersky, Semantic as well. So by that means we are going to secure our endpoint devices. And in the same manner, we will disable all kinds of services, protocols, applications which generally not used in our server operating system. So there is an other way by which we can protect our endpoint infrastructure. Now we are going to protect our email solutions, because most of the time we are going to exchange our data via email. So for that purpose, there are number of email appliances or security appliances available which provide security, which generally focused on the email solution. So that area will be more secure, because by that means we can share all kinds of information regarding our company, regarding our organization, regarding our customers as well. So by that means we will protect our email side as well. And in the same manner, if you are going with the server applications, let's suppose that you consider the web services. So for that purpose, if you are going to deploy the internet information services, or you are going with the Nginx or Apache deployment, so you must have to secure your web services with SSL deployment. And in the same manner, if we have the DNS services, DHCP, so for that purpose you need to deploy some kind of application which protect your infrastructure, services and application by denial of services, by phishing, by social engineering, and lots of other stuff. So there is a way by which you can protect your end devices, servers, applications, protocols, and services. Now, if we move forward, so inside the data center, there is another important domain which is known as network. So we need to secure our network infrastructure as well. And for that purpose, we need to focus on layer 2 and layer 3. And for securing the layer 2 and layer 3 infrastructure, we have many options. We can implement the VLANs, we need to implement the port security, and lots of other stuff inside our switching infrastructure. While these port security, VLAN deployment, VLAN tagging, inter-VLAN routing will secure our LAN environment, but still there is a major part of the network which is known as wide area network. And when we talk about the wide area network, so it means that our user is going to travel from its local area network towards internet. And when we travel on internet, so there are number of chances that our data might be compromised or hacked by a number of hackers, intruders, by social engineering, by malware, spywares, and other stuff. So we need to adopt some kind of technology by which we can protect our WAN infrastructure, WAN data, and WAN users as well. And for that purpose, it's recommended that you need to deploy a technology which is known as VPN, virtual private network. So it's a kind of technology by which you can protect your WAN connectivity and WAN data whenever you are working inside the IT operations. And when we talk about the VPN, so we must have to understand the overall architecture of this technology, because most of the time when we are working in the corporate sector, so branch office and head offices are generally connected via VPN. So in the coming episodes, we are going to discover detailed information about this technology, and we will explore all the possible options we generally utilize for the deployment of virtual private network.